Hello guys, and welcome to another amazing episode here today on the best profitable products to sell online right now, where I come on here every single day and I reveal a new product that you can tap into right away and start making you a whole lot of money online. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell notification button, because if you don't hit that notification button, you will not be notified each time I release a new video. So be sure to hit that bell notification button. That way you're going to get notifications as soon as I publish a new video every single day, okay? As usual, before we even get started, let's just talk about the most important things that you need to look out for when you are sourcing products out there. Check if the product is in demand. There's nothing worse than starting a business, selling products online that nobody actually cares about. So the first rule is to make sure that the product is in demand. Is this a product that people are actually searching for? Is this something that people are looking for? Just because you found something that's trendy, that's catchy, doesn't mean people actually are interested in it. So you want to make sure that you research and check that up. And don't worry, we're going to be talking about this more in depth as we progress in the video, okay? The second thing you want to check is that the product is profitable, okay? Now, you may find an amazing product that has a high demand out there in the market, but the profit margins are very, very low. You want to make sure that the product is profitable, and we're going to be doing all this, guys, more in depth as we go along. So do stay tuned. Another thing you want to ensure is that the product solves a problem. People don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. So if you're out there selling a product that is maybe creating a problem instead of solving a problem, no one is going to buy. Or if people cannot find the value of what they're paying for, they're not going to buy the product. People buy water because they want to satisfy their need of thirst. People buy food because they want to satisfy the need of hunger. Okay? So you need to make sure that whatever you're selling out there actually solves a problem. You also want to make sure that what you're selling is smaller and lighter products. Remember, we're selling products on the internet. Now, one of the biggest issues that you're going to face and encounter as an online business owner is shipping, okay? Especially when you're selling physical products. Now, if you're selling products that are bulky, are fragile, are extremely large, the cost of shipping is going to suck up your expenses. Imagine selling sofas or beds online. It's going to cost you a whole lot of money, and that could suck up a lot of your money, okay? And cut down your profit margins a huge deal. So you don't want to go for products that are super heavy, super bulky to carry. So we don't want that. So on that note, let's dive right into today's amazing product. Okay guys, so the product I'm going to be reviewing today is another product I found on TikTok that has been getting quite a lot of attention. Okay guys, so this other product I came across, I found it really, really amazing, and I'm definitely going to be getting it for myself as well. So it's really, really trending on TikTok right now, and even Facebook. Like, I've gone on Facebook and I've seen a lot of people asking questions on where they can find this product, okay? So it's still a very new product. I'll just let you guys watch it. Okay guys, so as you can see in this video right here, this is like a hula hoop that you can use to help you lose belly fat. This is actually amazing. Like, it looks like a lot of fun. It looks like something I will definitely be getting for myself as well. I'm a mom of two, and yeah, belly fat is something that a lot of us mamas struggle with. And this is something that you could easily target moms with, okay? Because majority of moms, not just moms, but a lot of people out there struggle with belly fat. So this is actually really, really fun, like, to watch and see how people are actually losing weight with this thing, getting results, and it's actually really cool. And actually documenting their journey as well. And you're getting all those people asking questions like, where can I get this product? Where can I find this product? It seems like it's really, really fun and a great way to, just lose. Look at her. She's got like 4.9 million likes on that video, which tells us something. People love the product, guys. People love this product, okay? So what we're going to do is, now we found a product that we could potentially tap into or potentially sell. It seems to be trending on TikTok. It seems to be very popular. Lots of people are buying this product right now, and they're losing belly fat, which is something that most people struggle with. A lot of us struggle with belly fat. Let's go on to do our research, see if this is a product to tap into or not, okay? Okay, so as usual, the first thing that we're going to do is to find out if the product is in demand. And to do that, we're going to head over to Google Trends as usual. And like I always say, we're not going to go on Google Trends searching for hula hoop, whatever, because let's face it, not everyone knows about the hula hoop belly fat weighted whatever product it's called, okay? So what's the first thing that people go on the internet looking for when they're trying to lose belly fat? So we're going to tackle it from that perspective. They go on Google searching for how to lose belly fat, right? What you don't want to do, okay, is you don't want to come on here and start typing things like the hula hoop product. You want to come on here and type something like lose belly fat, because that's what people are searching for. I had no idea that there was such a thing as a hula hoop belly fat product, but I know that I can go on Google and search for information on how to lose belly fat. So what we're going to do is we're going to put maybe something like lose belly fat, okay? How to lose belly fat or lose belly fat. And then we're going to see the sort of trends, right? So I'm going to change that to worldwide, okay? And then I'm going to change that to 2004 to present, because then you'll give us a good enough data, okay? So you can see the searches over the years. So it's gone down and then it's just shot up from 2010, and it's still at the sort of level that it was at in 2010. It's gone up and down. It seems to go up. Let's just have a look at the trends. It's quite interesting to look at the trends and see. So March, April, May. Okay, so that's now heading towards the summer, which makes sense. More people want to lose weight in the summer because of the holidays. They want to wear their bikinis. They want to look nice, slender, and fit in the summer. And then it looks like it goes down again, but it doesn't go down to a substantial level where it's like here. So that's still not a bad level. It's still at a better place than it was, you know, in 2004. So that's actually a great indication. You can see summer 2014, it goes up again. So it seems to go up around May period, guys. So this is actually a good summer product to tap into as well, okay? You can absolutely sell this and make even more money in the summer. April, again, it goes up in the summer. This is actually a good way to really see how well the product is performing. So around winter, it seems to go down, because during the winter months, we tend to hibernate a lot more, if you really think about it. A lot of us are, you know, at home, we're trying to stay warm. You know, we're eating all the soups, the junk. We're at home trying to keep warm. We're not really going out quite a lot. There's not enough sunshine for us to be sweating or going out to the beach and things like that. So most times that's when we tend to gain a lot of weight in the winter months. And then during the summer, we're all suddenly trying to lose all that weight, right? And another month that's actually good for weight loss too is around January. So people have New Year's resolutions to lose weight. So that usually kind of skyrockets around that month as well. So you can see here, December is down and then January, it starts to go up. Okay, New Year's resolutions, and then by the time you get to the summer, it's like boom, we need to really get that beach body right away for the holidays. So this is a good product. You know, it's a typical weight loss product. Very high in demand during the summer because people want to look slender and fit. You get to show off more skin versus in the winter where you're all, you know, wrapped up in your loungewear and your jacket and no one is actually showing out too much flesh. So most people don't really care too much about weight loss in the winter. So now we've done that. The next thing we want to do is head over to Amazon. Okay, so Amazon is going to tell us how much people are currently spending on this product. So Amazon is telling us this is actually a #1 bestseller, guys. #1 bestseller. That's the first product out there that Amazon is showing people around gymnastic training. This means this product is hot. Okay, it's a #1 bestseller product on Amazon. That's a big deal. And people are spending $40 on this product right now on Amazon. Okay. Now, there's other sellers, obviously, but for this product to be sold at $40, people are buying this product. You know, there's great reviews. It's working. People are spending that money on this product, okay? So what we want to do now is we want to go find a supplier that can actually produce these products for us at a cheaper price, okay? So we can essentially make a profit. So as usual, we're going to head over to Alibaba.com. I already have this browser open just to save time, but you can actually go here and just search. I think it's a hula hoop weighted. Oh, excuse me there. You can actually go here and just type for the hula hoop weighted. I'll put the name here on the screen somewhere, okay? So you can see that's the exact same product that we have there on Alibaba, guys, okay? The exact same product, 24 sections, detachable weighted smart hula hoops. 24 discharge, the same thing, guys, exactly the same product as you can see right here, guys. Okay, you see that? Awesome. So we can actually source this product on Alibaba for like $7 to $8 per unit. Okay, you can actually order samples of this product. Like I always say, test the product out, make sure that the quality is amazing, it meets up to expectations before you go on to buy in bulk. Okay, that's the best way to test the quality. Now, the $7.90 is usually just the price per unit. It does not include the shipping. Now, if we were to say, okay, it's probably going to cost another $3 to $4 for shipping, that's going to take us to maybe a cost price of around $10, okay, for the product. Let's just put that as the, you know, price plus shipping, okay, just to be realistic here. So let's just say it's costing us around $10 to source this product, right? We can sell this product, guys, for like $40. And this is on Amazon, by the way. So imagine you were selling this product, and this is on Amazon, guys, and it's actually even on sale. That's the list price. The list price right here, that's the original price, is $80, guys. $80 is the market price for that product. This is currently on sale right now. So even if you were to sell it for the sale price, okay, since you're just starting your business, you're trying to get more people to buy, $40 is still a great start point. Okay, you can even do this $35, guys, and you still make an amazing profit. We are sourcing this product for like $10, guys. We are making almost 3 times the cost of the product plus shipping. Okay, so the $10 includes shipping. So you can actually make at least 3 times the cost price selling this product for like $30. This is still cheaper than what Amazon is selling the product for. So you're literally erasing the competition, because when somebody comes to your website or they see your advert popping up, they're going to be like, I'm going to get that on Amazon cheaper. Guess what's going to happen? They're going to come on Amazon and realize that it's actually more expensive on Amazon. Okay, this is how you beat your competition, guys. Okay, and to make it even better, to take it even a step further, guys, what you could do is get this company, the supplier, to private label your products. Now, this is optional, but this is a great way to brand yourself and really take this thing to the next level. Like, you could actually get them to put your logo, okay, do your own packaging. Okay, so when people go out there searching for the product, they're going to be like, yeah, it's from that brand. That's what differentiates you from your competitors. And this is something that if you want to do this thing big time, guys, tap into this. This is why people buy from designer brands versus no-name brands. Because those designer brands have established themselves out there. They are identified by their brand names, by their logos. Okay, so this is what you want to do if you really want to take this thing to the next level, guys, and you really want to build a long-term business out of this. Get the supplier to private label your products. They can usually do this at just for a little extra cost. Put your logo name on it, guys, and go out there and start making a killing. Okay. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you've been inspired by a product idea that you can tap into right now and start making you some money online. Now, if you're looking for more in-depth information to help you put all the pieces together, then I would like to invite you to check out my online learning and educational platform called Funnelpire. I'll leave a link in the description field below this video. So Funnelpire is an online educational platform. It's literally a hub of different courses that teach you how to start and grow your online business, and you can learn anywhere from starting a boutique business to doing dropshipping to selling ebooks, online courses, affiliate marketing, so many trainings to benefit from within this platform, guys. Okay, so if you're someone out there who's looking for more information and you want to learn how to start an online business and also how to get more customers to your existing online business, then this is a platform to tap into. And the beauty about Funnelpire is the fact that you don't only learn, but you also earn in the process. So you have the opportunity to earn from our affiliate program, where you can also recommend those trainings to other people out there who need help starting and growing their online businesses. This is an amazing platform, guys, for anyone out there who's looking to start an online business, but they're just feeling stuck and they're not sure where to get started. I'll leave a link below this video. You can register for your account and get started today. And I'll see you guys in my next video.